Hey guys, I think Uzwelakhe is not Mkhize's son. The way Uslindile is shaky whenever Uzwelakhe is like, listen ma, maybe I need to introduce myself emahlozini, as someone asked Uzwelakhe ukuthi, hey wena, you need to find your real surname. I'm sorry for that. You need to find your real surname. And Uslindile is shaking Kesana, and I'm like, Could it be? Could it be that Zwelakhe belongs to someone else but not to them Mkhizes? Oh, Sana, what a drama. Anyway, I do understand that Zwelakhe and Bahumi are our main storyline, and I do enjoy them. I'm not gonna lie. However, I need to see more of the other couples, I need to see more of the other couples, Ukhethiwe and Umxolisi. I need to see them, I honestly need to see more of the other couples. So far, we are getting Obahumi and Uzwelakhe. And we are also getting the guy who has been impregnating so many girls out there. So I'm like, okay, guys, the storyline started really great. Enjoyed it. Loved Kwababa. However, I don't know, hey, if we're only going to be getting Uzwelakhe and Ubahumi only, I know, I need the other couples, okay? I need romance. I need love lives here, and I need to see the storyline progresses with the other couples as well. But yeah, guys, please do comment down below, and tell me what do you think about Uzwelakhe. Hey, I do suspect he could not be Mkhize. Like, he could not be Mkhize because Uslindile is shaky. Like, each and every time she is shaky, and every time that Uzwelakhe touches on this topic, Uslindile just does not want this topic to be touched, and she feels like if Uzwelakhe were to pursue it, it's not right, it's something that needs to be hashed. She goes as far as saying, no, you know how this thing will be such an embarrassment to your father, because it will seem like your father was just a useless man who couldn't marry me and who could not introduce his children emahlozini. I'm just like, ma, but your eyes says something very, very different. We are about to find out ukuthi Sana Uzwelakhe is not Mkhize. Like, I killed you not.
Sana Uzwelakhe is in trouble. His uncle, Oba umkhulu wakhe uDumsani akamfuni and akazenzisi. Now, guys, remember that in planning Uzwelakhe to marry Ubahumi, it did not go well. But it is said that this week we will be witnessing Uzwelakhe's marriage, a traditional wedding to Ubahumi, and Ubabomkhulu is not taking the news very well. So it seems like Ubabomkhulu ngathi usebenzise umuthi okhambeni to insist ukuthi noma ubani ozophuza ngalolo khamba shall not bear children or akwazi ukukhulisa isibongo. Now I do feel like so far all his attempts in trying to stop Uzwelakhe from taking a wife have been a huge failure. So I do believe that even this one, it will be a huge failure. Yes, Okamba looks exactly identical, but I think it could be just that Ukfana Okamba, it's nothing big and it's nothing huge. I could be wrong, but to me, it does definitely look like Ukfana Okamba. I do believe ukuthi somehow again Uzwelakhe will manage to escape inkohlakalo kababomkhulu wakhe. Love Uslindile. Love the fact that Uslindile, Zwelakhe's mom, is trying her hardest to make sure that she reconcile with her brother. And it seems like Uslindile's lobola will take place and everything else will be done accordingly so that Uzwelakhe will be able to take a wife. Yo, Sana, I don't know how to talk about ubaba omkhulu kaZwelakhe, like ukhohlakele la tata yo ukhohlakele lo yababa, and I understand like inkohlakelo yakhe on each and every story that he is featured on. Uhlezi akhohlakele. But honestly, I hope whatever that he tried to do with uKhamba was not successful, and uZwelakhe will definitely not drink on that uKhamba. If there is someone ozophuza kulolo khamba lolo, I hope it will be one of his sons. Oh, Sana, that would be a good plot twist, right? Kwababa, DSTV 8 with the show. Listen, I am so hooked. But there are so many storylines. We have a Lendile storyline, which is Zwelakhe's mom. So we get to see here that Slendile was never fully married to the Mkhize family. So now she has to go back home so that the Mkhize family can come and fully marry her. We also get to see that Slendile does not get along with her family, her brother, and the rest of the family. The only person that Slendile truly does get along with is her sister. So once Slendile has arrived in her home, we get to see now the real core, what's happening in Slendile's life. She fought with her auntie back in the days. It seems like Slendile's parents passed away when she was really young. She was left an orphan. Therefore, she was taken in by a family member, an auntie, who never treated her right. If anything, she felt like her auntie was selling her to men. So I think that Slendile's brother never really knew the story as well. He is just shocked and disappointed. Now, the show ends here when Slendile's auntie has collapsed. To me, it looked like she had a stroke. Now, I don't know how will the family deal with all this drama, because the Mkhize family is coming in to lobola Slendile. So how will this whole thing be organized with the auntie who has just collapsed? Like, it's a lot that is happening on Kwababa. But I must say that DSTV 8 down with the show. I am happy. And now we have Zwelakhe. Listen, everyone deserves a Zwelakhe in their lives, okay? The way he has been showing up for Bahumi, he has been showing up and trying to explain why their initial lobola ceremony did not take place, because it was stopped by the fact that his mom was never really married to his family. So now they have to finish off his mom before he can start to take a wife. As much as Bahumi is Tswana, having difficulties to understand why Zulus are behaving like this, but Zwelakhe, I'm here for Zwelakhe. Now, when it comes to Zwelakhe's uncle, tell me why this man always acts an evil character. Why? From My Brother's Keeper to this storyline, him and his wives, at this point, I'm disgusted by both of them. Like, I have nothing to say by both of them, because what do you mean? They are just out to get Zwelakhe and make sure that Zwelakhe never gets married, because for some reason it intimidates them if Zwelakhe were to have a wife and a child, and he will take over the family legacy. But otherwise, the storyline so far, good. DSTV 8. Yo guys, kanti lo baba lona wayakhohlakele kanje ye. On My Brother's Keeper bakakhohlakele. La kwababa ukhohlakele. I know ukuthi uya-actor, but like, it's too much. Why each and every time he learns a character okukhohlakala and he nails them? Like, oh Sana, wave wakhohlakala ubaba. So anyways, on Kwamaba, he managed to stop Uzwelakhe's marriage. Lalela guys, when Uzwelakhe says Mamtawungi. When Uzwelakhe says Mamtawung, oh Sana, I get you. Hey, can I get my own Zwelakhe? Can my own Zwelakhe locate me? Anyway, let's do the review. So, On this episode, we saw that Uzwelake's uncle stopped the wedding, and yena uthi, according to himself, his mom is not married to them Kizes because them Kizes never finished to pay lobola, and there was never really a traditional ceremony that took a place. Sana, when I tell you that Uzwelakhe is furious. But anyway, Uzwelakhe feels like, you know what, it's his responsibility as a firstborn son to go and finish up what his father did not finish. Meanwhile, ubabomkhulu wakhe is busy grooming his sons to take over each and every time. And you know, his sons are chilled people. They are so chilled. They talk nice about Zwelakhe. They acknowledge that Zwelakhe is their brother. Really, they are just chilled. But not ubabomkhulu kaZwelakhe. Uba like, lalela, I do not want that child to rule over us one day. I don't want him to prosper. I do not want him to have an heir. I'm like, Sana, this father, this dad. Lo tata ke kaloku sana, like, as not enough ukuthi bakakhohlakele on my brother's keeper. Like, he has to ukuthi asikhohlakalele ke kwangoku la kwababa. So anyway, guys, by the grace of God, it is said that the wedding between Ubahumi and Uzwelakhe will consume by fire, by force. It will go forward. Forward we go with this wedding, okay? Forward we go. Now, ubabomkhulu kaZwelakhe, what is his name? His name here is Udumsani. I remember him from my brother's keeper that he was Ushabalala. But he then goes far below the belts and resorts towards witchcrafts. He's gonna be like, you know what, at this point, my best option is to resort towards witchcraft. And sana uzozama ke ukuloya Uzwelakhe to never have a son. Oh, Sana, like, I can't with this father. I can't with this daddy. Sana, like, I'm a rose kohlakala. And the thing for me, Ugusi, why does he nails them so much? Like, perfectly. As long as we roll your kohlakala, babalo will kill it for you. Will murder it for you. Questionable, ke kaloku. Questionable. I'm joking. I know he's acting, but yeah, it's questionable.
Kushube kakhulu on Ukwababa this week. We are going to watch Uzwelakhe having delays on his wedding. Now, a biggest secret was exposed on Friday that Zwelakhe's mom is not a fully Makoti according to the Zulu culture. What a shocker. Now, this comes after Uslindile's brother just showed up. Of course, we all know that he was fetched by Udumsani, ubabomkhulu kaZwelakhe, because really he is trying by all his means to make sure that Uzwelakhe does not get married. Now, it is said that Uzwelakhe Udumsani uzophoxeka kakhulu in realizing that the wedding will go forward. Uzwelakhe will end up getting married to Bahumi. Now, of course, this will be a huge disappointment kubabomkhulu Udumsani. And when I tell you that they are going to try their best to come up with a plan B, in realizing that plan A failed dismally, they're going to realize that now we need plan B in action. Listen, these two, that's the level of stage that they are in, okay? They are in some next level where you like, oh my gosh,
bazothakatha angase ngibone into enje trying so much to make sure that they are holding up Zwelake's things, like that Zwelake fought so hard in making sure that she and Bahumi end up getting married. Now, I heard Uslindile saying that she does not understand why did she not eliminate or rather kill all of them when she had a chance to do so. Now, this does definitely raise some eyebrows to say, Slindile, oh, what do you mean? What do you mean you don't understand why you did not eliminate all of them when you had a chance to do so? It raises a big, not even small, big eyebrows in trying to understand what exactly is Uslindile trying to say. But yeah, that is Gwababa, more drama. It seems like a lot of South Africans are enjoying this new telenovela. I am here for it as well, okay? I am here for it. Good storyline. It's starting on a good note. It's starting on a good note and it is well written. That's one thing for sure. Most of us are here for it. There's still a lot of drama that is gonna unfold on Gwababa. Now we do know that Uzwelake has met Swana girl and all that he wants to do is to get married. How cute, okay? But there are obstacles in his way. For instance, he runs a family business and there is jealousy amongst the family where his uncle, Obabumkhulu wakhe, is very much jealous of Uzwelake and feels like Uzwelake is not the rightful leader of the family. If anything, it should be his son's Umhlaba. Uzwelake offers Umhlaba a job, but it's not a job that Umhlaba was expecting. Uzwelake wants Umhlaba to be a truck driver. Meanwhile, people are plotting against Uzwelake's marriage. It is well known now in the family that Uzwelake does want to get married to a girl that he barely knows. Uzwelake goes as far as meeting with the girl's father and convinces him that he have nothing but pure intentions for his daughter. And we do see Ubahumi also agreeing to the hand in marriage. Now, the preparations of the marriage that is supposed to take place on Friday, it's one thing that is going to be shocking. There's going to be a lot of family drama. People are going to be fighting each other. A lot is going to be transpiring and taking place. So, it's not going to be a walk in the park. It's not going to be a walk in the park. It's not going to be easy. It's not going to be like we are just walking here, okay? But anyway, I do look forward to this season. It does look like it's an interesting season where, I don't know, it feels like it's going to be a lot of witchcrafty as well. Like a lot is going to be taking place and I'm here for it. I am here for Gwababa. I am falling in love with the series. I'm not going to lie. Hello, hi guys. We have a brand new telenovela on Mzansi Magic. It's going to be playing on a 7:30 slot and it is called Gwababa. The setup is giving my brother's keeper. It's definitely giving my brother's keeper, but I'm going to try to my best of my ability to explain the storyline. I must say that the cast members in love, Gensana, in love, down. I am in love with everyone who got casted. Now, the setup here, it appears as if there was Ubaba Wasekaya who had Isthembu, but it also appears as if he did not marry his first wife. As a result, the second wife sons are the one who continued with the empire, the family legacy, right? So the second son from the second wife who was married, according to the storyline, unfortunately passed away, okay? But before he passed away, he already had a wife and sons, right? So it means now the sons of these second sons are the one who are trying to continue with the family legacy, which makes them grandchildren to the initial men who kind of started the whole legacy, the whole business, family business. It's quite tricky to follow, but it